The following message is being transmitted at the request of the San Francisco Police Department. One child by the name of Jimmy Alvarez has gone missing. Jimmy is a white male about 5 foot 1 inch tall, brown eyes, black hair, blue shirt, gray pants, and a black sweater. Their last whereabouts were in a local park. If anyone has any information on this case, contact 911 immediately. The following message is being transmitted at the request of the San Francisco Police Department. Another child by the name Dananella Clinton has gone missing. Dananella is a 3 foot 9 inch tall, 5-year-old female, wearing a green shirt, and a yellow sweater. It is unknown if this disappearance is related to the disappearance of Jimmy Alvarez, but some authorities believe the two cases may be connected. They were last seen in their front yard. If anyone has any information on this situation, please contact 911. If you know who the individual or individuals responsible for this are, then notify authorities as soon as possible and stay away from them, as it is unknown exactly how dangerous they could be.